Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to extract data from PDF to Excel. For example, I want to copy this data to Excel. It's not work in a normal way, so open Excel, from data, get data, from file. From here we have an option from PDF. If you don't have this option, I have another video. I put it in the description of the video. You can watch it to get data from PDF to Excel if you don't have a PDF like here. But now I have this option. Then from PDF, now bring your PDF. That's my PDF. Select it, import. Good. You see, I want this table. So click this one. That is the table. Click this one, transform data. Good. Then from here, close and load to this query table. I want just table. Okay. Yes. You see, now I have this table. If you don't want the color, just you can control copy, then from here paste, and also you can delete this one. Yes, good. That's the data I have. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.